Yo guys, Boss Leo be the name, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator, aka the Girls Dem Slayer. What's up, man, guys? Charlie, today I want to make you talk about practical and actionable steps to take if you struggle with fear, shame, or self-doubt. See, man, guys, you guys know say me, I dey love to talk about money and how to make money, how to be better. Charlie, it's all about money. But you see, sometimes before prepare ourselves, we get problem within ourselves. Most of us we get fear within us. Most of us we get shame. Yes, we dey always feel shy. We dey always feel shame about something about us. You see, some of us we don't know our worth, like how valuable we be. Some of us we no get the mental strength. Some of us we know they focus on whatever we dey do. We dey understand. See, we get issues aside chasing of money. You dey bab. So today I just left the lane top. I just want make we tackle some of the issues where it prevent us from facing our financial growth. Yes, because these things are the talk. If you dey in your life, you dey understand somebody you want invest, the investment be very good, the plan and everything be better. But because it get fear in arm, it dey fear to invest. You go dey pass before the time go reach, you go make your mind so you want invest. Now people chop the money all finish. You dey bab. So Charlie, without much talk, make we enter into how we go fit overcome shame, we go fit know our worth, we go fit know our value, how we go fit be mental strong. You dey understand? How we go fit focus on the things we want to achieve. And guys, Charlie, the first point I want to talk about is knowing yourself. Most of us, we don't know ourselves. We don't know our weakness. We don't know our strength. Where you see, in life, you can never be there just like that without knowing what you are good in and what you are not good in. Every human being, you have something that God has blessed you with. You get it? You have something that nature has blessed you with. You have to settle down, find whatever you are good in, whatever you love to do. You get it? And put in your best in that thing. You dey bab. When you know yourself and you know what you want and how to do it and how to go about it, Charlie, doing that thing is very easy for you. Somebody God bless them with playing of football. Even if it is sleep where you wake them up, somebody like Leonard, Messi, you wake them up safe. You dey understand? You wake them, we put them on the park. No, you know what to do. Yes, that be the gift God they give them. But you go leave them where they fight boxing. At the end of the day, everybody go beat them. No matter the training you go do, no matter how you go, because that no be in strength, that be in weakness. You dey bab. So if you want to face your fear and you want to clear your self-doubt, always focus on your strength. And guys, the second point I want to talk about is accepting the fact of who you are. You dey understand? Always accept who you are and face the reality of life. You dey understand? Some of us, we always want to brag. We always want to show people the wrong impression of us. We always want to show the fake version of us. So because of that, because you always try to impress people and always trying to listen to what people are saying about you, that will automatically put fear, doubt, and shame around you. You don't understand? So even if there is something you're supposed to go all out to do, because of how you carry yourself and how you listen to what people are saying about you, man guys, you can never achieve that thing or what you wanted to do with a bab, and that is killing most of you, man guys. See, if you accept who you be, let's assume say I be shoe shine, I accept say I be shoe shine. If I come out where I dey go my shoe shine, I know dey fit shine, I know dey care who see me, I know dey care who go talk about me, because that be what I dey do, that be what e dey feed me. E dey bab. But some of you, you dey your area, you raise yourself, you dey claim melania where you no get some. So even if you carry your shoe shine box where you wan go do your work, because of how you carry yourself and you full pompous and big, you are feeling shy. Automatic shame be that, automatic fear and doubt dey all around you. You dey understand? You dey hide before you dey do what go bring you money to feed or what go bring you income. Man guys, that things before stop. You for always accept whoever you be. If you dey come from poor home, accept this is where I'm coming from. My parents don't have some, but I mean, it doesn't mean I will stay there till I die. I have to fight hard. I have to struggle, do whatever I can to get out of that poverty. This is the mentality most of you have, you people for carry around. You dey understand? You no be trying to show off and trying to listen to what people are saying about you. Charlie, today they do and sharp because I know me. Guys, the next point I want to talk about is always position yourself in line with who you are. Always position yourself in line with who you are. Always, Charlie, do search. Find out people with your strength, people who you are similar with. What do they use the same strength you have as them? What do they use the strength for? And how do they monetize that strength, or how then they get money, or then they put their word, or how that strength they help them in their lives. You dey understand? If you now do that search where you find out, where you see so, oh okay, the way I know how to play ball, I go fit do this, I go fit do this. Tomorrow I go fit go play for Chelsea, and Charlie, my life, my family, their life, everything go change. Then you focus your mind, you focus your strength, you focus your everything on that line, because that is where your strength is. Then you try your possible best to make it from that angle. See, there are certain things you don't need angels or God to drop from the sky and come and tell you. You the bab. Yes, there are things, common sense, your own knowledge for tell you say this is what you are good in and this is what you are supposed to do. My guys, the final and the last point I want to talk about is stay dedicated even when you are not motivated. You dey understand? Dedication be very key. See, in whatever you do, there are days you wake up and you don't even feel like doing it. There are days you wake up and you become so lazy to the extent that you don't even feel like waking up from your bed. But you see, everything which you want to do, or everything you want to be the best in, see, dedication be key. You dedicate your life to what you want to do, what you want to achieve. You put in your all, you put in your strength, you focus on it. You understand? You focus on your own race. This is what I want to do, and this is how I want to achieve it. Then you focus your mind and everything, then you dedicate your life to it. Even when you are weak, even when you are sick. Charlie, put in your all and it will only become success. Man guys, I wish you guys all well. Charlie, the name once again be Boss Leo, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator, and aka the Girls Them Slayer. What's up, my guys? Charlie, if you know say today be the first time you dey watch my video, I beg you, subscribe, turn on the notification, comment. I will really appreciate it. Yeah, my guys, make you people help me, make you grow the channel. Charlie, share, invite people onto the channel, because the more we learn, the more we make money. And Charlie, you go be very greedy or very selfish to be better in life, and your brother will be suffering with the back. So invite your brother, invite a friend, let us all one body learn together. Charlie, peace.